Hi guys, we're House of Misu. I'm Summiyya.
And I'm Mitali.
So we're here today with Lakme to create some amazing looks off the runway from Amit Aggarwal's shows. So Mitali, are you up for the challenge?
I'm totally up for the challenge. It's going to be a bit of a surprise. I've already primed and prepped my skin and just coat the inner corners of my eyes. And blending it into the first color. Blend it in, et voila. So I'm using Flutter Secrets Dramatic Eyes by Lakme. So Sue loves the contour, but I love my blush. And now I've got my Lakme Absolute Blush Duos to finish my look. I'm gonna get a beautiful pink cheek going on. I'm gonna do a beautiful ombre lip. So we're gonna start with shade Frosty Pink here. And this is going to go on the inner corners of my lips. So my second shade is Elegant Pink. So it's a more nudie color, which I'm going to apply on the corners of my outer lips and blend together. Then you just blend it in with your finger so that everything sort of looks seamless and together. And that's my ombre lip. And I can't wait to see what Summiyya has done with her look today.
So since I'm gonna go really bold on my lip, which I feel like Mitali does not know that I'm gonna do, so I thought I'm gonna keep my eyes super simple by using the Infinity eyeshadow palette. It just creates a really nice base for when the shimmer goes on top. So my favorite product from Lakme is the volumizing mascara. So the next step that I'm gonna do is a blush. So the color I'm gonna use on my cheeks is the Blush Duo, and it's also a super matte color with a little bit of shine to catch the light. So now I'm on to the final step, which is my lip. So the color that I'm using is Wine Whisper. It's also matte and it has a little shine on it. So again, it gives you that three-dimensional look. So this is my final look and I'm really happy with it, and I hope you guys love it. And I'm quite excited to see what Mitali came up with and how she got inspired by the runway.
No way! You did a bold lip. I should have guessed.
I knew you were going to do your signature ombre look. So now we can't wait to put on our Amit Aggarwal outfits and show you the final look of how we got inspired from the runway.